I was just watching the television and there was a loud pop in my right ear, followed by really loud tinnitus, and it was very frightening because I couldn't tell what direction sound was coming from, so it was very disorientating. So I managed to get an appointment that lunchtime. The doctor took me straight to Addenbrooke's, where they did a hearing test and found I had suffered moderate hearing loss, and one of the staff suggested enrolling in the STARFISH trial.
STARFISH is a trial for patients who've got sudden sensorineural hearing loss. So that's hearing loss that happens out of the blue, normally affecting one ear, and we don't normally find a cause for it. And in the NHS, we treat people with steroids, and that might be through tablets or through injections. And the STARFISH trial is to try and work out what's the best way to treat that population.
I had the injection on the Friday, and when I returned for another hearing test the week after the initial one, I was told, "Congratulations, your hearing has returned to normal."
So if you are a patient who finds yourself with a sudden hearing loss, it's really important that you go to your GP or to another doctor, and when you're referred onwards to ENT, that you ask your ENT team if you could be part of the STARFISH trial.
I'm just so grateful and so relieved that it's back. I think anybody who is offered the opportunity to take part in a research programme should grab it with both hands.
Sign up today to improve the care and treatment of tomorrow at bepartofresearch.uk.